In this video, I will show you how to send Bitcoin from Moonpay to another wallet. Now, in order to do this, what you can do is you can head over and then just click onto the three dots. Click onto the swap assets, and then from in there, you should be able to put in here the certain amount that you want, and also input right here the actual cryptocurrency that you want to swap. So, if you have Ethereum and you want to actually swap Bitcoin, you can head over and then input it right here and click on continue. Now for this one, we have the Moonpay wallet. So you can head over and connect your wallets right here. So make sure to choose one wallet from that list. And then you can continue with your swap. Another option is to sell it. For that, just head over and click onto the sell option. And then just sell it into the actual market of Moonpay. And once you have done that, you can send the purchase Bitcoin from Moonpay to another wallet through that case. Another option is to click onto this wallet option in the bottom. Then you should be able to see in here your wallets. And then you can view your external wallets and then transfer from your wallet to another wallet.